Yo, Backlight Gang, I'm back with another video. Gotta do this voiceover because my camera started recording. But yeah, I'm back with another video with some more upgrades for the Harley. I got a 4-point docking system and 60 bar I was installing on the bike. But I really appreciate everybody that comment, subscribe to my last couple of videos. I really appreciate that. But can you guys please comment, subscribe on this video as well. But yeah, right here what y'all see me doing is I just took that the old tag hold off, and now I'm installing the docking system now. So yeah, I didn't record the other side because I had already installed, you know, the other side or whatever, and unloose all the bolts and brackets and everything else off the other side. But yeah, that's why I didn't record the other side. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now, installing this docking system. So yeah, this is what it looks like once I finish putting both sides on. Looks real clean with that tag hold off there. It looks real clean. So yeah, this is what I was doing. I think I was about to install the seat. Yeah, that's what it looked like after everything was done. But like I said, can y'all please like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Whatever y'all don't like and do like, please let me know down in the comments below. But until next time, I'm gonna get at y'all. Appreciate y'all.